Good Monday! How do you make a Burger King Whopper at home? And I gotta tell you, I'm a little pissed off. I Google how to make a Whopper at home. There are tons of YouTube videos, blogs. And the problem is, they're not making the Whopper at home. What they're making is a really good hamburger. The hamburgers are thicker. That's not a Whopper. Whoppers are thin. We're gonna try this today. This was supposed to come yesterday. If you look at the patties, it has these scores in it. That's supposed to help the patty from shrinking. I think it also makes it easier when you're biting it. It just comes apart in your mouth. It helps if you freeze the patty. The patty is so thin, by the time a raw patty cooks, you're not going to get the nice browning on it. So if you start with a frozen patty, and we're going to use a carbon steel pan, because I tried to do it under the broiler, and this happened. Oh, and it's curling up. Why is it curling up? It looks like a mushroom. Oh! Whoa! Smoke flavor. The first one I tried was hickory. Not as good as the mesquite. Smells a little sweeter. I wasn't happy with it. This really gives it a little bit of that smoke flavor that you really want in a Burger King Whopper. First thing we need is 4 ounces of beef. So we want to go ounces, and we want to get 4 ounces of beef. That is not enough, I can tell. We've got 4 ounces. We are going to season it just a little bit. It's very thin. Salt and pepper. Give it a good shake. Half a teaspoon of mesquite. And we're going to mush it, and we're going to mush it good. Because if you look at the frozen Burger King patties, they're very pink. They are not marbled. If you're making a thick burger, you don't want to do this. It'll make it more dense. But because our patties are so thin, this isn't going to matter. It's okay. It's a very thin patty. Smush it good. I can smell the smoke. This is a flat cap, Smokeware Flat cap. It's stainless steel. It's really heavy. We're going to use that while cooking. Great smasher. Put wax paper. It helps. And smash away. Try and get it the same width. It's going to be very big. It will shrink down to about the size of the bun. You don't think so, but it will. That's pretty close. Now we're going to put the wax paper back on it just to give it a flat surface. Let's just give it a light. There you go. In the freezer. It's Whopper time. We've got our onion rings, lettuce, 2 slices of tomato, pickles. Not gherkins. One of those copycat videos I watched, they use gherkins. Whopper does not have gherkins. And we have our lightly toasted sesame bun. Did you know the original Whopper did not have a sesame seed bun? Mayonnaise. Some lettuce. That's beautiful. Here we have our Whopper burger. It's Whopper time. going. I think we're almost ready. Ready to flip. Oh, how beautiful. Slice of cheese. Pickles. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. More pickles. Ketchup. Look how nice and thin that meat is. Yes, our toppings are really high because we have quality ingredients. Let's take a bite. It tastes like a Whopper. I can taste the smoke flavor. Let's just take a piece. Take another bite. Oh yeah. It's pretty, right? Homemade, Copycat, Burger King Whopper. I'm just saying, thickness of the beef is perfect. That is a Whopper thickness. Anything bigger, you're just making a really good cheeseburger, which is not a crime. That's so good. Take a final bite. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.